In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy your first stock on Robinhood using your computer and how to follow a simple investing strategy from beginning to end. Whether you're just starting with investing or simply new to the Robinhood platform, this guide will walk you through each step with clear explanations and helpful tips along the way. To get started, open Robinhood on your computer and log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Getting comfortable with the dashboard can make navigating the platform much easier and more efficient. The next important step is to choose 1 to 3 companies whose businesses you genuinely understand. It's always a good idea to invest in companies you believe in or that you keep up with regularly, as this helps you make more informed decisions. To track these stocks, locate the company in the search bar, click on the stock, and then click on the option to add it to your watch list. This way, you can easily monitor its performance without having to search for it each time you log in. Now, patience becomes key. Rather than jumping in to buy immediately, wait and watch for a dip in the price of your selected stock. Prices tend to fluctuate regularly, and buying during a temporary drop can help you get more value for your money. When you spot a favorable price, click the buy button on that stock's page. Choose the shares option, then carefully enter the number of shares you'd like to purchase. Before finalizing, take a moment to review your order and make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, hit buy to complete your purchase. After purchasing, the most important thing is to hold on to the stock and wait for its value to rise over time. Investing is often a game of patience, so avoid checking your account obsessively. Steady growth is key. To see how your investment is doing, click on your account and navigate to the investing section. Here, you'll find your total return, which shows your gains or losses so far. This makes it easy to track your performance at any time. Once your profit reaches your target, let's say, for example, you're aiming for around $2,000, selling is straightforward. Go to the stock in your portfolio, click trade, then select sell. Enter the number of shares you want to sell, review your order carefully, and then hit sell to finalize the transaction. Afterward, consider reinvesting your profits. You can do this by using the search function to find new stocks that interest you and repeating this entire process. Reinvesting is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time while learning more about investing. Remember to always do your research and only invest in companies you truly understand. And that's how you can use Robinhood on your PC to buy, hold, and sell stocks, as well as reinvest your profits for long-term success. Thanks for watching and happy investing.